We begin at noon with the countdown to congestion pricing and the 11th hour attempt to stop it. A federal judge is expected to rule today on whether the pricing plan can start as scheduled. Starting this Sunday, January 5th, drivers will pay a base toll of $9 to enter the congestion zone. And here's a look at the zone, which begins south of 60th Street, including bridges and tunnels. Christine Sloan is following this emergency motion out of New Jersey. She joins us live at the federal courthouse in Newark with what's at stake in today's decision. Christine.
Well, Cindy, this is an extraordinary effort by the state of New Jersey to stop congestion pricing in its tracks. As you said, it comes after an ambiguous ruling by a federal court here in Newark. That judge's ruling was so ambiguous that the state of New Jersey asked for a clarification. And now today, that judge has set up a 3 p.m. hearing to hear that request. Hours before New York's plan to implement congestion pricing, attorneys representing New Jersey attempt to stop New York from putting the tolling plan into effect. An attorney representing the borough of Fort Lee convinced New Jersey will eventually win the fight.
I don't think congestion pricing will take effect ever. I think the methodology is so flawed, it'll take 10 years to straighten it out.
Bruce Nagel talking to CBS News New York right after the judge issued a confusing ruling that forced New Jersey to ask for a clarification of the opinion. The state argues New Jersey residents living around the George Washington Bridge would be adversely affected because drivers going into Manhattan would try to avoid a $9 toll below 60th Street.
A remand means basically, in my opinion, sit tight. We don't have enough information here. There's not enough before the court. Enough hasn't been done to mitigate the potential harm that's going to be visited upon northern New Jersey as a result of congestion pricing and the increase in traffic.
A transit rider advocacy organization supporting the MTA says congestion pricing means good air quality for everyone.
Before congestion pricing started in London and Stockholm and other places where it's been wildly successful, there was always doubt. And right after the doubt came the understanding that it really is a great idea.
The MTA argues the current ruling does not prevent it from launching the program, which would bring in millions of dollars to the agency. Legal experts say that New York would have the option to seek an emergency hearing before a court of appeals. And of course, again, that would be pretty extraordinary and to the wire. Now, the big deadline is January 20th when President-elect Donald Trump gets sworn in. He has vowed to kill the plan. We are live at federal court in Newark. Christine Sloan, CBS News, New York.
Christine, thank you. Stay with CBS News New York for the latest on navigating congestion pricing. We'll bring you live updates on the judge's decision today as it happens. And you can find that on air, online, and on our free CBS News app.